I'm Stephen Kajiura. I'm a professor here in the Department of Biological Sciences at Florida Atlantic University. National Geographic has developed SharkFest, a whole week of shark-related episodes, doing a program called Investigation Shark Attack. And one of the episodes that I'm involved with is the Florida shark bite capital one. You have this migrating population of black-tip sharks that move up and down the coast of the U.S. eastern seaboard, and along the coast of Central to North Florida, there's this hot spot. A lot of people get bitten. And the idea is why? Why there and not anywhere else along this whole eastern seaboard? And so that's what we're investigating. Why are there so many shark bites in this one particular area and not anywhere else, which is also experiencing this annual migration of these sharks? I'm not going to tell you now. Make sure you tune in to watch. Florida's Bite Capital premieres July 9th on National Geographic.